How to unban WhatsApp quickly. First of all, understand why your WhatsApp got banned. Usually bans happen because of violating WhatsApp norms like using unofficial apps, sending spam, or getting reported by others. If you believe your ban was a mistake, the fastest way to get unbanned is to contact WhatsApp support directly. Open the app or visit the WhatsApp Help Center and send a clear, polite appeal explaining your situation. Include your phone number with country code and mention that you want to restore your access. Avoid using any unofficial WhatsApp versions as they can cause permanent bans. If you used a banned app, uninstall it immediately and switch back to the official WhatsApp app from the Play Store or App Store. Sometimes bans are temporary and will be lifted automatically after a certain period. In this case, wait patiently and don't try to create new accounts or use workarounds. Now you know how to unban WhatsApp quickly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.